Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again doing another trade for November the 12th, which is a bank holiday. And even on bank holidays, there's lots of pips to be made. As you can see on this Euro New Zealand through the middle of the night, along with the pound yen. It actually went quite a bit also. It dropped for 140 pips. Approximately, let's see, 143 pips. So who says you can't trade on a bank holiday? And as you can see, for today, Canadian and US is a bank holiday for Monday, November the 12th. I like holidays because there's always some movement. So let's go back and look at the charts here. You'll notice that I'm now using the Bollinger Bands, my top two favorite pip triggers. As you can see, number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is the one you're looking at. Number 2 is with the 3 moving averages. And the bottom remains, all the indicators at the bottom are exactly the same. I like the Bollinger Bands because they're great for picking tops and bottoms. And you can grab anywhere from 10 to 30 pips. I got in right here, and I'm up right now 10 pips, and it can, there's 40 pips up here. We'll just monitor it when it gets around the goal line here and see what the reaction is, because the overall trend is down, so I have to be careful. So you can remember on this Remembrance Day holiday, bank holiday, there's still pips to be made. And the Bollinger Bands is great for picking tops and bottoms, like I've said many times in my training videos. I teach how to trade this Bollinger Band. I prefer one, although I do teach on how to trade 2 Bollinger Bands. So now all I can do is just sit and wait. I'll drop it down to the 5 minutes. And I'll wait to see what's going to happen at the Bollinger Band. It's already gone past it. So now I'm going to wait and see what it's going to do at the next moving average here, which can offer some resistance. I'm still expecting it to go up some more. And it's after 10 a.m. New York time. This is 11 right at the edge of the blue box. So anywhere from 10 o'clock moving forward, we could get a reaction from the London close. In other words, the pound in the New Zealand market will be closing at 11 a.m. But we could get a reaction anytime after 10 a.m. So I'll just keep an eye on this. I'll try not to turn this into a losing trade. Even if I only end up with 2 or 3 pips, I'll just close it down. I am trying to, I believe it'll go up a little bit higher. Let's see if we can get another around 15 pips out of this to this next level of resistance in this area. Check the 15 minutes again. All is looking good for going up. And keep in mind the meter will not help in this situation because we're still in a downtrend. So if anything, the meter is still saying to sell. So it'll only go so far up and hook around and come back down. So I'll close the trade, hopefully at the high point, and take some pips from the market. As I said, and we can take a quick look at the meter. Here's the Euro, here's the New Zealand. New Zealand's got a little bit weaker, and Euro is also still weak, so I'd like to see the Euro go up a little bit more and the New Zealand down a little bit for this to keep moving up. As I said, the meter's not going to be cooperating at this point in time. So as I said, it's just a waiting game. Let's see what I'm up at the moment. It's around 13 pips. If I can get 20 pips, I'll be happy with that, especially for around this time, as I said, a zone time of the London close. Just like I said, it did a little bit of a pullback here, very small on this red bar. Now I want this blue bar hopefully to break the top and give me another 10 pips. But don't know for sure. It could reverse now and continue with the trend going down. Just have to wait and see. Just like I said, gonna make it to the next resistance area. It's at it right now, so between this and the blue moving average here, both of these, and I'm hitting the upper band, so again, have to pay a little bit of attention. Either it'll break through and keep going, or it'll hook around and I'll close the trade out. See what I'm up right now, approximately 14 pips. So again, it's just a waiting game. So it looks like it's just going to be a scalping day. I decided to close the trade. I know it can keep going up, but I'm not too worried about it. It's a bank holiday, so anyhow, I sold it originally right in this area, and I grabbed 3 pips, almost 4 pips, and then I bought it in here for a total of 14. So it's around 18 pips, 17, 18 for a little over $1,000. So for a holiday, it's pretty good money. I'll just keep looking. I'll probably find another trade and try to get another 10 or 20 pips. So pip trigger works great for me, and I'm sure with a little bit of practice, and once you understand how to trade it and follow the rules that I teach in the training videos, I'm sure it can help your trading also. Anyhow, if you look right below this video, you'll see all my contact information. You'll see what's in this Word document. It's a pip trigger full package with well over 300 training videos on many different ways to trade the market. You can put this on pause and take a look at all this if you want. And of course, eventually, if you want to get in touch with me, you can call my cell directly. I'll answer. And or you can shoot me an email. All my information is down here. And of course, I prefer Skype. Please make Skype contact. And if you want to see some more tips and tricks, I can certainly give that to you for free doing Skype screen sharing. As you can see right now on the trade, it looks like it's doing a reversal now, going back with the trend, so that's why I decided to close it. And I teach all of that in the training videos. So anyhow, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, happy trading.